I'm at Batu Caves. It's a crazy tourist spot I had heard of. I didn't know there were actually caves here, which is kind of obvious now thinking about it, but let's check it out. You know what they say, 10 heads are better than one. You know, I like pushing the rules about as far as they can go, but this graffiti shit is pretty gross to me. I don't understand why you need to damage something when you're exploring it. The famous rainbow stairs. Up we go to the temple. Super badass cave, colorful stuff all over the place. It sucks, it's kind of touristy for a temple, like you can buy shit everywhere. I don't like that, but other than that, it's pretty cool. What's up, guys? We're exploring an abandoned school in Kuala Lumpur. This place is crazy. Let's do some fun stuff.
Ew, nasty. I don't want to stop in that.
It's known to be
It's known
haunted.
to be a haunted place. There's a toilet on the 4th floor where they say that this girl got murdered or she was killed or raped or something like that. People over here in this resident behind there, they hear noises at night, girls screaming or kids playing, and every time they leave flowers on the toilet. So if we go right now, we can still see the flowers over there. So yeah, it's pretty creepy. The first time when I came, I saw the flowers on the 4th floor. I was like, oh shit, this is where she died, and I'm standing right there. It was crazy. And be aware, there might be drug addicts over here, so don't be alarmed, it's pretty normal.
Okay.
So this is the toilet where normally the flowers are here, but as you can see from here, you can still see the leaves. You see these leaves right here? This is the leaves of flowers. So normally they put the flower here. The first time when I came here, I saw the flower right here. And I was pretty amazed, like, wow, this is the place where someone died and I'm standing right here. It's pretty creepy. How do you feel?
I don't believe in any of that ghost shit.
but you're standing at somewhere where somebody died.
Somebody died.
I just heard something over there. Are you serious? Don't die. Oh my god. Dylan is chilling up there.
It's actually really hard. Whew. The one thing they don't tell you about Malaysia is how hot it is.
It is hot.
It's so hot. Been walking all day too. Dude, Sherry, thank you for showing me that school.
It was
That
my
was
pleasure.
rad.
This place is creepy, and I'm glad I can show you around my abandoned school. Yeah.
Oh,